My name is Yelena Hurtado Sánchez, student psychology. Mu- Music, come and sing. It is the story of koala named Buster Moon, dreamer, and what of his dream out to the old and room a city, where he different experience of one of the others to face the difficult times of his city. Despite everything, Buster was optimistic and he came ideas that allowed him to rescue his city and change his life with the help of five constant or colleagues. Buster Moon presented serious economic problems. Several of these even led to poverty. In the midst of his concern, he presented a great idea with talent in order to bring the entire city and map to recover its economy. Moon left his dream behind and was not given a chance to start and hence he would have either be a car or forever Moon have or his dream and continues to watch car for the rest of his life, mortifying himself for his mistakes. What did you learn about the movie? I work with offer and perseverance. Learning from mistakes is from a strong mind. I fit for the effort to hero and be must not surrender to obstacles. How did the movie make me feel? It made it made me feel aware of emotion. This feel the this real life issues experience like tear and sample decision making. It is a field that allows us to reflect on what is really important in life: love, compassion, teamwork. What is the field related to psychology program in the analysis of the management and control of emotion, listening skill, and autonomy in performing tasks. In their time, human behavior based on their experience, ability to learn and apply methodology, and emotional intelligence. could another indeed for the film. Moon was never silver, and on his dream he had to climb a thing until he became a great artist and at the same time to other things to perfect other people or artists with good talents. Thank you.